Today I wanted to show you how to make ravioli lasagna. This is a neat alternative to regular lasagna, and instead of using lasagna noodles, I like to use these ravioli packages. I like fresh ricotta and spinach, but you can definitely choose any one that you like. I usually use about 2 packages, and I use this little square oil pan. I like to use 2 different pasta sauces just to change up the taste a little bit, but you can use the same pasta sauce, some cottage cheese, and some cheese. So let's get started. So we're actually going to start by putting, so I'm just going to move all this out of the way so you can see what I'm doing. Start by putting a little bit of pasta sauce on the bottom of the pan. Oops. Just a little bit. This just prevents the noodles from sticking to the bottom. Nice and simple. I just kind of move it around. You can also add a little bit of water, but nothing fancy. So we're going to add our ravioli. Just make a nice layer of ravioli. Then we'll do another layer of sauce. And that was my timer. Just so you know, temperature is 375. A nice layer of sauce over the ravioli. Just gonna add a teeny, let's see. Then we'll add our cottage cheese. And some shredded cheese. I'm using double cheddar and Italian style. You can use one kind. I just happen to have a little bit of double cheddar left. And then we start again with the ravioli. And you're going to want to put this on a cookie sheet, put it in the oven for about 30 minutes, then uncover it, and then bake it again for another 10 minutes just to get that cheese nice and melted on the top.